Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Best Buy membership. For this, first of all, you have to find your original receipt and protection plan contract documents. And after finding the original receipt, you have to call this number. This number is used by the Best Buy customer care service. So you have to dial this number, and after that you have to tell the person on the line that you want to cancel your membership, and then you have to ask the staff member to determine your pro-rate refund amount. And after that you have to confirm that your plan is cancelled, or you can cancel your membership by sending them an email. So you have to write or type letter that briefly it clearly declares your wish to cancel your membership, or you can visit the customer service desk at your selected Best Buy store, and by visiting their store you can cancel the membership. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.